Greenhouse. A greenhouse is a house made of glass or plastic on a metallic frame that is used to grow plants inside it by providing an artificial environment. Glass and plastic allow the short waves to pass, but they do not allow the long waves to pass through them. When the short waves of the sun enter a greenhouse, it changes them into infrared radiation or long waves after striking the surface of the earth. The long waves so formed do not escape out through the greenhouse, and the temperature inside it increases. Thus, a greenhouse is a form of a controlled environment for agriculture because temperature, light, moisture, soil, and other conditions essential for plants' growth can be regulated in it. The roof of a greenhouse is made slanted to allow the maximum amount of solar energy to enter it. When the short waves from the sun are incident on its slanted roofs, they enter through it. But when they strike the surface inside it, they change into long waves. The long waves so formed do not escape out, and they make the environment inside it warmer than outside. Earth itself acts as a large greenhouse. The atmosphere of the Earth works like the glass of an artificial greenhouse, that is, it allows short waves to pass through it. When the mixed waves, short waves and long waves, are incident on the Earth's atmosphere, these short waves change into infrared radiation after striking on the Earth's surface, which does not pass easily out through the atmosphere. Water vapor, dust, greenhouse gases like sulfur dioxide, hydrofluorocarbons, sulfur hexafluoride, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane particles, etc. absorb about 37.33% of the infrared radiation. It makes the Earth warm, and this effect in the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Because of this effect on the Earth, we have got a suitable temperature to survive on the Earth. Thus, greenhouse effect is advantageous. Because of this property of the atmosphere, the Earth also works as a natural greenhouse. The amount of smoke, dust and greenhouse gases like CO2, N2O, CH4, water vapor, etc. are increasing in the atmosphere as they are produced by industries and vehicles. They increase the greenhouse effect of the Earth. Due to over greenhouse effect, heat is stored more and more by the atmosphere. This effect raises the temperature of the Earth and also changes weather and climate. Over greenhouse effect is not good for living organisms. In the past 100 years, the Earth's temperature has increased by 0.74 degrees Celsius. In this way, from 1977 AD to 1994 AD, the temperature of the Earth has increased at the rate of 0.06 degrees Celsius per year on average. It is causing global warming. It is found that the temperature of the polar region is increasing at a higher rate than the equatorial region. Similarly, the temperature of high peaks of mountains is increasing at a higher rate than in terai and hilly regions. It is reducing the regular water resources of rivers by melting the snow faster. If we could reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, it will decrease the production of greenhouse gases. Also, reforestation should be started as a mission all over the world as plants absorb CO2 from the atmosphere.